I want to ask you about specifically, obviously the central question here is whether you violated the law in the handling of classified information. 18 U.S. Code 1924, unauthorized removal or retention of classified documents or material. Why do you believe you did not violate this law? It says here, being an officer, employee, contractor, or consultant in the United States, and by virtue of his or her office, if they become possessed of documents or materials containing classified information in the United States, knowingly removing such documents or materials without authority and with the intent to retain such documents or materials at another unauthorized location. How did your private server, where you kept this classified information, some of which was retroactive, I understand, after your term as Secretary of State, how is that not a violation of this code?
Well, Chuck, that's a mouthful. Let me just repeat what I have repeated for many months now. I never received nor sent any material that was marked classified, and there is a process for the review of material before it is released to the public, and there were decisions made that material should be classified. I do call that retroactively classifying. So therefore, it would not be publicly released. But that doesn't change the facts, as I have explained many times.
Who advised you that it was perfectly legal for you to have a private server and have this information on there, Secretary of State? Who gave you that advice?
I'm not going to go into any more detail than I already have in public many times, as you certainly know, out of respect for the process that the department is conducting. So I'm not going to comment any further on the review. But I've been answering questions now for over a year. I've released more than 55,000 pages of my emails for the public to read for themselves. I will continue to, be as forthcoming as I can, and my answers that I first gave more than a year ago, I stand by.